The reason that I'm here is because I like the opportunity to talk about things that our society struggles with.
To talk about different subjects with people your age, you know. So I think this project will help me to grow in that.
I want to share my opinion on like these subjects, and I think I speak for a lot of people when I do that. So
it's a pretty good idea to exchange the opinions about the subject.
And their views and stuff, because I only hang around with people that have the same opinions as me. So it's really nice to hear what other people think.
dinner is served.
Do you think you guys have like necessarily bad judgment about certain people? Like,
because most of like the serious crimes you see in like the media and stuff is like are done by men, and also because most of the media influences our biases and like all our stereotypes and prejudices and stuff like that. You also get most of it from TV and from the news. And I think that's also like it plays a big role in how you think of other people, because the media shows you like, this is what like a predator looks like, this is what a creep looks like, and then you automatically think that because they're like sources to back it up.
people are more cautious at my school to be themselves. I am too. I had short time for a long time. I had like boys' haircuts, which is weird to say because they're not just for boys.
I had for a period in this year, I had colored hair. Same. And they called me like emo or lesbian and stuff. I got like heavily bullied when I was little and in primary school. All the time, because I was different, because I dressed different, because my hair looked different, I was different. And yeah, I don't really think that's like okay, because you don't know me, why would you call me like that? If I was lesbian, it's still not okay to call me like that. I didn't like how they used the word gay as like a swear word, which is, I think it's something to be proud of.
Or they're just mean, and I don't want to associate myself with mean people. I don't want to give them attention, because if I say like shut up or don't talk to me, they're gonna know that I'm mad, and they're gonna be happy that I'm mad because that's their whole point. So I don't feel like giving them any attention. My friends use gay in like a mean way. They just like, everybody says it at my school, so like they use it in like a mean connotation, and people see the word gay as an insult. They see it as like something you should be like ashamed of, because they use it like that. And I think it's just like, you could use so many other words, but you decided to choose gay.
And like, especially you guys, you have of course like a darker skin tone.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
Not to be like, not
No,
to exactly
no,
point it
you
out,
can say
but
that.
yeah. Do you have like experiences with yourself where you felt like this is just not fair?
Yes, so many actually.
So many, yeah. When I moved to another place, it was very hard for me, because when I came to school, you were just different, and people were calling you names because of your skin color.
People who don't know me judge me just because I look different than them. And also it hurts more because I cannot do anything about the way I look.
No.
I'm just like the same person as everybody is, but I look a bit different, so people automatically judge me, and it's really annoying actually. If you don't want someone to say that to you, don't say that to someone else, because it doesn't make sense. So I think that's just the whole thing.
This world is so biased by every single person that it's like, it's impossible to live to be yourself, and to totally like, to come out is hard. Mostly you can't even share them because this world is so biased.
But I also do think as a generation, we are definitely growing in accepting people and respecting people, because 40 years ago, we would not have said, like, we wouldn't have been as respecting as we are right now. And I think that's also good, because you can't all live in harmony. You can never, because there will always be people that think differently in a negative way. But I think also everybody deserves to think differently, But the thing about that is that you have to respect each other, otherwise it won't work. Even though you completely disagree with what they're saying, you don't be an asshole about it. I think that's just the most important part.
You can respect everyone, but you
Yeah.
can't just always agree with
You don't
them,
have to
know?
agree,
Yeah.
you just have to respect each other.